live in a now generation, and it's going to become more and more now. I want it now. I need it now. A communications platform in a business, whether you're one person or 1,000 people, is essentially the first image that you portray. Who's answering the phone, how they're answering the phone, how the call is handled. My mission with our company is to transform the delivery of technical services in the communications industry for businesses. This isn't about saving 5% off your phone bill. This is about productivity. It's about making you money. It's about meeting the expectations of people entering the workforce now who demand these communication tools. Not just want them, not just like them, they demand them. This is a highly complex art and science. This is in a completely different universe. It's about enhancing your money-making machine to make sure that where most corporations lose 10 to 20% of their potential sales in a month because the call isn't being handled properly, who's going to be there to support them and making sure that conceptually it works right so they can get back that 10, 15, 20%, which is often the difference between success and failure in a business. To answer the question, who are our clients and prospective clients, the answer is any business out there, especially small, especially large, especially medium, all of them. They rely upon us to run their businesses on a daily basis without hiccups, without glitch. When there is one, they expect immediate response with creative response as well. What we do sells itself. Someone's voice can be anywhere and everywhere at the same time. It's the concept that's being devised and deployed. Our mission is to transform that delivery system.